Another theorem that we have to prove is square root of a prime number as irrational number. Here few examples are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11. We have to prove them as a irrational number. So I am going to prove one and you have to prove the rest. So we are going to assume some things. If possible, let root 7 be rational number. We have to prove irrational number and we are assuming it as rational number. If there is any contradiction in proving, then we can say that the number is irrational number. So if possible, let root 7 be a rational number and its simplest form be a by b. We know that in simplest form there is nothing common factor, no common factor between a and b. So we are going to write it as a and b are integers having no common factor other than 1. If a and b have any common factor, then it is not in its simplest form. So now root 7 is equal to a by b. After cross multiplication, root 7b is equal to a. After squaring, 7b square is equal to a square, which means 7 divides a square. And we have learned from earlier theorem, if a prime number divides any positive numbers squares, then that prime numbers divide a also. So we are taking it as, let's assume some equations. Equation 1, equation 2. Now let a is equal to 7c. Why have we assumed that? Because we know that 7 divides a. So a is equal to 7c. Putting a is equal to 7c in equation 1. What was equation 1? 7b square is equal to a square. 7b square is equal to, in place of a we have put 7c. So 7b square is equal to 49c square, and after cancelling, b square is equal to 7c square. From here we can say that 7 divides b square, and if 7 divides b square, 7 also divides b. Let's assume it as equation 3. So in equation 3, 7 divides b, and equation 2, 7 divides a, which means 7 is a common factor. Which contradicts the fact that a and b have no common factor other than 1. This contradiction arises by assuming that root 7 is rational number. Hence we can say that root 7 is an irrational number. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you don't understand it, just rewatch the video.